Hello, good evening. There's been plenty of puddles to splash in, that's for sure. Storm Bert has continued to rain down and bring some pretty squally winds as well. But things are changing. By the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, it'll be much calmer and quieter, but we're back to frosty nights, would you believe? So the mild air is all tucked up ahead of the rain we had last night. And as that all moves away and Bert moves towards Scandinavia, we start to draw in much colder northerly air. And so it goes back to those chills that we've thought we'd left behind, but actually are coming back with a bit of a vengeance in a few days' time. Back to the here and now, though, it's fairly quiet in that respect. There's going to be a few squally showers coming through during the night. The breeze will be that bit gusty and blustery when they come through, but on the whole, a lot better than it has been. But fresher, 9 Celsius, probably what we'll see first thing in the morning, but a brighter start to things tomorrow. Some sunny skies, some showers getting going, though, through the morning, and they'll become more prevalent through the afternoon, and it will be quite squally when they rush on through as well. But in spite of that, its temperatures are still holding at around 8 or 9 Celsius. And it's after that we start to see things quieten down as the winds ease off, but also we'll see some cooler air heading our way. So by the time we get into Tuesday, yes, there'll be a few showers coming through on the breeze, but not quite so many. The wind looks much lighter, but it's a fresh feeling day with highs of around 9 Celsius. And then through Tuesday night, so we'll see those temperatures really start to drop off under clearing skies as high pressure moves in, and we'll see the temperatures in the larger towns and cities close to freezing, and in rural spots it may be down to about -3 or -4. Hello, good evening. Well, after a very wet couple of days, we have still got some strong gusty winds out there, but they are starting to ease off in the next 24 hours or so, and then it becomes calm and quiet. And believe it or not, we're going to be back to the frosty nights. So the warm air that was sucked up ahead of Storm Bert is now moving away, and we start to draw in a more northerly wind as Bert moves away towards Scandinavia. And that means that we are going to get some really Arctic air coming back our way. So temperatures could be down to -5 by the middle of the week at night. Back to the here and now, we've still got some strong southwesterly winds, and although many places have been much brighter and drier today, it is still quite gusty out there. Some heavier showers beginning to creep in from the northwest on a weak weather system coming around Storm Bert as we head into the early hours of the morning. So plenty of showers will start to drift their way through the day tomorrow. It'll generally be feeling much fresher anyway from first thing, but when the showers come along, because they will be quite squally and the wind is starting to come in from the Arctic, you will start to feel it noticeably chillier. So that's how Monday's shaping up. There'll stay plenty of showers swirling around the remnants of Bert as it moves away as we head into Tuesday as well. Perhaps, though, things starting to brighten up a little through the day as we see Bert finally starting to move away. A fresh feeling day in general with 7 Celsius probably the high. And then as we go through the night, we will really feel the chill as high pressure moves in, the winds drop out, and we'll see temperatures -2 in the larger towns and cities, maybe down to -5 or -6 in more rural spots, but then a much brighter day on Wednesday with highs of about 5 Celsius. Good evening. It was the tinsel tractor parade in Home Firth last night for the Christmas light switch on. I couldn't bring you a video, I'm so sorry, but we did get this lovely picture of Honley Silver Band playing at that celebration. Absolutely wonderful. Now, at the moment, it's all Storm Bert, but that's starting to ease. The winds around Bert will slowly ease in the next 24 hours as it moves away northeastwards towards Scandinavia. But we're losing that mild air that we've had over the weekend and instead replacing it with something so much colder, northerly Arctic blast heading our way for the middle of the week, and so temperatures way sub-zero once again. However, back to the here and now, it's still pretty blustery. We have had a lot of cloud and bits and pieces of rain lingering through the day. Things will look a little quieter overnight in that respect, but it is still quite blustery, and there will be 1 or 2 showers around here and there, but fresher than last night certainly. Top temperatures down to around 7 or 8 Celsius first thing in the morning. So a brighter start to things tomorrow. Still a little bit breezy and blustery here and there, but that eases through the day. 1 or 2 scattered showers coming in, but I think more so through to the afternoon. Definitely a difference in the temperatures. 8 or 9 Celsius is the high tomorrow, which is pretty much about where it should be at this time of year. Now, those showers will continue to swirl around Storm Bert as it slowly moves away, but generally speaking, the winds will start to ease and things will generally dry up as well. So by the time we get to Tuesday, most of us having a drier day and still feeling on the fresh side, 8 or 9 Celsius. But as we head through the night, we see this frost start to extend into the early hours of Wednesday morning. Temperatures could be as low as -5. Hello, good evening. I had to show you this photo because I can actually hear these ducks quacking to each other. Look at that, fantastic. Perfect weather if you've been a duck this weekend, of course. But the wind with Bert is slowly starting to ease, and then things get much quieter through the middle part of the week. But we are back to frosty nights. So plenty of squally winds still coming around what's left of Storm Bert. There's still plenty of it, but it is moving away towards Scandinavia. And as it does so, it starts to draw in northerly winds once again. And so the temperatures are really going to take a tumble during the coming few days. But back to the here and now. We've had a lot of cloud and rain sitting across us, squally winds in with that rain as well, but that will ease off dramatically as that rain begins to edge away southeastwards. And then through the rest of the night, largely dry, much quieter, and temperatures of around 7 or 8 Celsius, so a much fresher night than last night. Hopefully though, a brighter start to things tomorrow. Still a little bit blustery here and there. The wind is still fairly strong, but having said that, it is a much drier, brighter day. A few scattered showers coming into the north, but highs of around 8 to 10 Celsius. That's about as warm as it's going to get. And then, of course, things do turn that bit cooler, as I've just shown you. So some showers drifting across, not too many getting into Lincolnshire, I don't think. But on the whole, it is going to start feeling a little chillier through the night. By daytime, though, into Tuesday, we're looking at highs of around 8 Celsius. So again, you can just see the trend starting to tail off there. And then as we head through Tuesday night, should I say, the frost does start to extend. So temperatures down at around freezing, so a real change. A cold morning for Wednesday morning, but hopefully seeing some sunshine later in the day.